Tell me you can't come in here and recruit him. That's a $10 discount. You recruiting my man. That's a $10 discount. You were trying to recruit my man.
I'll let the pastor know that.
He gonna tell you to stop recruiting because he don't want to get no money back. He was like, you just blessed the church. How you gonna take it back? So, that's good save. This is me for you. Yeah, he complete. Huh? Who ain't on the floor?
Why he ain't bring that on the floor?
Because he ain't with me. He came because he thought Chris was hooping today. And so when he thought Chris was hooping or whatever, he walked in, but I was just like, I ain't gonna be low down. Baby Blue and the dude in the all white with the dreads. They're not supposed to be here. Yeah. My life's simple. I just sent out one group message and 2 calls. He one of my calls. Other than that, that's it. We got 2 of them. We got one on Facebook that's called Guys Night Out. And then we got
I like that name.
and then we got what's it called? Then we got the John that's at me. Then we got the other John or whatever that's in my phone. Huh? Oh, no, I didn't know that. Because, yeah.
You could run out on the field. You could big ass and do per hour. What do you do?
Yeah, we had, I used to get the rec room. Or whatever. And so when I had Guys Night Out, that's when I started the group. I used to just get the rec room. I used to rent out 2 TVs, and we just went up there and just chilled or whatever. So it was a Guys Night Out, but at the same time, once we get through, we go hoop, because I had my jam. So I was like, yeah, it was Guys Night Out for real. That's why I said that.
His shit turned into Trey fucking money. I'm like, man, you got some good ass days in your life.
Hey, Mike, I need your ATM card, Mike. I need your ATM card, Mike. Bank shooting that. I told you to kill him. I was doing the same thing. Is he still on fire? No, he's the reason they won. Him and that dude right there. Okay, BG. No, he wanted to shoot. That's why I told him to cut so he can shoot. I got everything on him. My films be raw. I let everything happen. I'm raw with it because everybody wants to show somebody highlights. I'm gonna show you your low lights, your middle lights, and your highlights. It's everything. Cause that's why I said, cause you can get a highlight tape anywhere and make one of them. I was like, well, they want, but I want to see how you miss.
Stop playing with your food. Your mom said don't play with your food.
That's when I didn't want to eat my green beans. I'm playing with your food.
You just sitting there all night.
Yep, I better eat that. I'm going nowhere. The move, though. Y'all lucky Mike fat now, but old now. Chris called for him. Chris called foul for him over there. Chris just upset. Supposed to be killing him, man.
Dude right there, left hand dude right there.
I know what you're talking about. I just ignored it. I know what you're talking about.
I never noticed it until he got a haircut. Cause he always had a little fro. That nigga is right. JR. Okay, JR. Ah, shit. You can get on YouTube and get some views out there. JR Smith and pick up game. The flow general right there.
Yeah, I guess so, but I'm laughing at Nico. That nigga stupid. Nigga, I'm laughing. That's why I said I was laughing at Nico. Nico said, y'all better stop playing with the weekend. That nigga said, y'all better stop playing with the weekend. It's over with now. This game right here, they blew for the end. Yep. That's your teammate saying y'all ball. That's your teammate. go. God dang it. And I ain't deleting it either. Short. He was laying the back too far. He was laying the back too far. Oh, yeah. I was finna say, that's what I was thinking.
He tried to option 2-2 anyway.
He picked up fast.